All right, so I've been short on PCVX. It's completely sideways at the moment. We got its second bear flag coming in here. I'm still waiting it out. It's had a little bit of chop here. Having a hard time breaking 34.96 and 34.97. Keeps bouncing off that level. I'm gonna give it a shot here, but if it breaks this high, I mean my stop would really be at this high here of 35.50, but I'm not gonna let it run that much, so spreads are really bad on it. It's a $35 stock, so it's already out of my price range completely. But I do feel like this one's a little weak. It's just going to be kind of hard to break through VWAP, if anything. It's still holding. So, but I like its 10-minute for the break of its low here, 34.85. See if we can get that. Try to see if I can get that rejection back to 35. It is curling here, so it might just stop out. I'm gonna stop out there. I mean, that's kind of frustrating. I'd seen the bid move up. Bid kept going up, and I was like, well, decided to cut it there at 17 before it rides through this level here. So not a bad stop, I guess. It just feels too choppy. It feels too weak. But I mean, this held this low several times, so many times already. So it should have broken out a long time ago. At least on this candle here, one of these two candles, but never did. Could enter again here. I'm getting at the lows here, I guess. Chased it a little there. I actually did chase it there, I'm lying. There's VWAP there. That's a nice trade so far. See if we can hold below VWAP. Sell half there. Oh no, I sold the full position. That sucks. I should have sold the whole or I should have sold a large amount. I guess half my position at 34.60 there, but dude, that sucks. I have to give it some time to break the review up here. Right now, it's pretty strong with the bounce like that from 60 all the way back to 320. Okay, so we'll take another position. It failed 2 times to hold its highs here. So we'll take a starter here because it, like I said, it fell 2 different times. Pulled back here basically to this line, and we're gonna see if this would actually break through VWAP and actually hold. I mean, it's gonna be a while before we get that decline towards VWAP and actually see it hold below. Right now, it's still kind of popping, so see if it rejects here. I'm not gonna let this one surge on me here. If it surges, then that's kind of it. I'm gonna stop out. Stopped out there. It's a big pop. Stopped out 28. That's 20-cent loss. The spreads are really what kills it for me on this one. I think that's done. I'm done with this stock. I don't think I'm gonna trade this one anymore. Let's see what do we got going on here. So there's a rejection we're just looking for. I got spooked out once more. And that typically happens to me almost always. Like I always get spooked out here by little surges like that. Like I could have just held, but that was a whole 40-cent loss that I would have had anticipation for. So I guess my fault. I mean, I did wait for its pullback, but I was expecting it to pull back on this candle, not these two here. So it was basically scalping. I could have just held my position. Even the one from back here, I guess I could have still kept holding, but I mean, all my entries so far have been really low. I had opportunities to enter like way higher, 35.40, 35.50. Never did. Okay, so here's the break once more of 35. I'm still gonna wait it out. Not where I wanted to be just yet. I'd say I'd take a trade below VWAP at this point because just trading in this choppy range here it keeps popping and then dropping, popping. 35 breaks and then pops all the way back up and then breaks, pops up. Only difference is this time we have lower highs each time and we're actually consolidating here. There is this kind of triangle, so I'll just delete these line studies here. So we do have somewhat of a triangle here. And now it's breaking through that level. So I could get short, but I'm just gonna wait it out. Jesus, I hate this stupid thing. Uh, so there we are hitting VWAP and now popping off VWAP. Waiting for the break of VWAP here. The only other stock I had on watch, I think, is AMPX here. AMPX is popping back above. Let's see. Leave my line studies here. I still prefer PCVX. It's basically dead today. It's completely dead. I'm not really antsy to trade. I mean, I want to trade this one below VWAP here, but I'm just going to keep waiting. See if it ever does it. It's been sideways for quite some time now. There it is, going to 35 again. Okay, I think I'm done with this one already. It's not wanting to do anything. It's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth to 35, and then back to VWAP, 35, VWAP. So I think this one's done for me. I'm not trying to trade right now. It hasn't decided on a direction yet. We do have this one. This one's not bad. Not easy to borrow though. Shoot, I didn't mean to draw a horizontal. Look how off that looks on the 5 and 10 minute. Jesus, man. It's too bad I can't short AMPX here. I was waiting for it to go to the high there for a while already. Here's another pop. So back to PCVX here. Coming and retesting VWAP once more. It's gonna take a while for it to break, but I'm just waiting for that break. See if we get it here. Touch a VWAP once more. Gonna come to this low here, 60. Once it comes to that low, I would like to see a break. Again, we're getting another pop here though. I'd like to see that level break, potentially hit 3450 or break 3450 even, and then pop back to VWAP retest, and then I could take a position. But right now it's just sideways. It's not wanting to break. Okay, so here's 60, there's 50, and there's a break of 50. Nice, we got a nice break there. It's 26 now. Wait for this pop up here. Continues without us, that's fine. Even broke 34 there. So it took, I don't know how long since my first 5, 10, 15, 20. About 25 minutes for the break to finally happen. Kind of upsetting because obviously I'm just watching it now. I could have taken my entry there, but I wasn't trying to test it once again. I mean, I did it 1, 2, 3 different times, profitable ones, just trying to retest, and it bounced every single time. So still gonna wait it out for a pullback here if I can get one, but if not, then oh well, I just missed a move. Do have this low out here. Low is 33.60. There's a pop here. Wonder if this is gonna turn into an engulfing candle here. High is 28. High of this candle is 15. Not far from it. So not quite. Let's see if we get another pop here. So we do have a rejection there, back to 34, and it didn't break 34 yet though. Curious if this is gonna continue sideways or not. Low open. Missed my entry. Still hasn't broken its prior low. Low here is 76. At 86 there. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Got in there for anticipation of the break of 76. Continuation down towards 33. There's a break of 76, but then we have a big pop here to 90. So I chase this one as well. Low open. And now I'm stopping. I chased that one. I mean, if I get filled there, that'd be cool, but stop it now. I'm gonna sell it. Okay, I'm done for today. Missed my opportunity. Got FOMO. I even said it might just chop sideways again. Kind of did. Retested this low here. I need more practice with this. Jesus, I can't even AMPX load my charts here. PCVX. So, sideways for a very, very long time here, and then we finally get that breakthrough. I just couldn't see it here. I'm looking for that continuation down below this level towards my target, but PCVX is just too light on volume, too choppy, sideways. It's not worth it. AMPX. I mean, I wanted to get short on AMPX at this break here. I was thinking if it broke this high or came close to this high, I would be shorting it here. Obviously, it's not easy to borrow though. Trying to look too much towards a short bias, especially on this one because this is a downwards channel. So that's what I'm kind of thinking. That's what I wanted to do. MIST, not gonna trade that. Yang. Can't short this one either. Did break out above the channel level though, so I'd have to wait for this one to actually pull back down below these levels into the channel and take my position. But right now I'm just not feeling these. So that's gonna be it for me today. Definitely down, definitely red today. Not by much, 180s. Still, I didn't have to take a lot of these losses here that I took today. We got PCVX, that's what it is. It is flagging here, still above 34, technically, I guess. So it is coming back to my 5-minute line here. Could just wait until it comes back and retest this 34, 36 level and just take an entry up there. But honestly, I'm kind of done with, so I'm not gonna trade it here. I'm already getting frustrated. So, anyways, that being said, I'll wrap it up. See you all tomorrow.